Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on leaving someone's private Snapchat story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will know that a story is private by the little padlock icon at the bottom of the story thumbnail. If for any reason you don't want to have access to a private story any longer, this is how you can leave it. Open up Snapchat and go to the Discover page. Find the private story that you want to leave. Hold down on the story thumbnail until a pop-up appears, then tap Leave Story. Tap Leave again to confirm. You have now left that private story and will not see it again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.